Hi, my name's Leanne and today I'm here to show you the Sound & See digital video monitor. So here we have the camera that links with the parent unit. We have the camera, the on-off button, the temperature sensor, the microphone and the speaker. So now that the power's on, all you have to do is position the camera. So here we have the parent unit. It features a 3.5-inch colour screen. Here's the power button, the speaker and the antenna for the signal. So now I'm going to show you how to use the parent unit. You switch it on using the power button here. And once it's switched on, you can use these buttons here to direct your camera. It'll go from right to left, up and down. This button here is for the two-way communication. Hold it in and you can speak to your baby. This button here is to turn the screen off. Once the screen is off, the sound indicator at the top will still show you if there's a disturbance in your nursery. And this button here is the OK button for once you've chosen your settings with the menu button. Have a look in depth at the menu and setting up the camera. So the menu button is here. From it you can control the volume, the contrast of the screen, the lullabies that will play to your baby, the zoom feature, the Vox, and the additional cameras if you add any. The next option is the temperature of the room, which is shown here at the top of the screen. This video monitor features a 250 metre range. If you go outside of this range, the following will happen. If the temperature goes below 13 degrees or above 30 degrees, the temperature indicator will turn red, alerting you that it's too hot or too cold in your nursery. Once you are completely happy that the camera is set up correctly in your nursery with the settings to suit you, simply flip out the stand on the back, place the camera down and enjoy your evening. Thank you for watching the demonstration video of the Sound & See digital video monitor. We hope you find it useful and we'll see you again soon.